Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the groundbreaking new launch from EON Reality, EON Digital Twin IQ.
That's right. It's not just another upgrade. It's a complete rethinking of how organizations train, solve problems, and capture knowledge. We're talking real-time problem solving and permanent digital twin creation, all on one platform.
That dual-purpose innovation is huge. Imagine solving an equipment issue in the field while also creating a precise digital twin that others can learn from instantly. No duplication, no delay.
And it's cross-industry. We're seeing applications in manufacturing, aviation, healthcare, education, you name it, all with AI avatars offering domain-specific expertise and environments rendered down to the millimeter.
One of the most impressive features? Real-time 3D scanning during problem solving. You're creating high-precision digital knowledge assets on the fly.
That means massive cost savings and smarter, safer, more scalable training. Whether it's aviation flight checks or cardiac surgery simulations, this changes the game.
If you're curious how your institution or enterprise can benefit, check out the full release notes on eonreality.com and don't miss the white paper. Thank you for joining us on yet another deep dive. And remember, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep diving deep, everyone.